favorite wig influencer is back again with another video. I decided it's been a minute. I've been reviewing all these companies' wigs. It's time for me to pull out the Amazon wigs. So for the girls that's on a cheap budget, then You Nice, Beauty Flavor Hair, Nuella Hair, you looking for a cheaper wig for long bust down inches, keep watching. I got this for $109. This was a pre-everything Bye Knots, pre-bleach, pre-plucked hairline. Y'all, when I say that this was given a natural skin melt, and as y'all see the lace, it came pre-bleached. So I didn't have to put no concealer, no foundation on it, no nothing. And I got this all on Amazon. Come back.
JB Moro, go and get your bag.
Before we get right into the video, I get asked all the time, what products do I use for my wig installs? I always use Touch by Misty's lace glue. Every single time that she has a sale, I always get the combo pack. It comes with the glue, the remover, and the skin protectant. And y'all will see me use this on numerous of my videos. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, TikTok, everything, because I'm always using her glue installs. This one is the best wig glue that I use so far. Every other glue I do not like, but this one I really do like. And y'all, look how my hair be slayed every single time. With the glue application, you're gonna see me do this like numerous of times. I am gonna fast forward the video a couple of times because this is a very long video because it took me a cool minute to do. But at the end, it was definitely worth it. I'm gonna show you like little pictures and snippets of videos that I have done with this hair. I did get this from Amazon, the Bye Knots wig. I love a Bye Knots wig. To me, it's looked way more realistic than any other. Like HD, transparent lace, swish lace. I like the Bye Knots with the thin lace. So I thank y'all for watching, liking, and subscribing. And did y'all see my last video with the SpongeBob collab from Wendy's? Y'all, I'm telling y'all, I done got like over 200 views already. So run up the views. Thank y'all for watching, and I hope y'all enjoy it. Thank you.
Your behavior, that's what she's ashamed of you. Damn, look at what you become. Matter of fact, what you've been. I was just like, I was just so in it. I was just so committed. Now I don't regret it. I learned what love is once more. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go. Want to you got it, but I know you when you try to hold on. it good and you want it bad and you need it. I don't wanna be feeling dead, so I said that I was needed. I thought you would be real, I thought you would be right. Talking all that tough shit, and then you gon' go down. But all I really know is, all I really know is, let it go, let it go. Oh, just want somebody who likes all shit, get me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope. 'Cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, these ties rope. Before we drift any further, deeper. Baby, now hold me close. Let's take this overboard now. What you're doing now. Baby, now we can close. Let's close. Don't get in a hurry. No, that's too slow. Go ahead and put that thing in Crank that song. Now